GNG Jewelers.
The Calcutta High Court has reprimanded the Mamta Banerjee for the second time in the Sandeshkhali case. On Monday, the High Court, while criticizing the West Bengal government, suggested the arrest of TMC leader Shahjahan Sheikh. Chief Justice S. Shivagnanam, presiding over the Sandeshkhali case, stated that a public notice would be issued emphasizing that there is no stay order in Sandeshkhali cases. The court clarified that there is no order for the arrest of Shahjahan Sheikh. In response to the petition filed in the High Court seeking an independent committee for the investigation of Sandeshkhali, the court expressed willingness to consider it. However, it insisted that the state government, police, CBI and ED should remain present in court. Meanwhile, the District Council President Shahjahan Sheikh, who was reportedly on the run, has also applied for anticipatory bail, which has been rejected. The Calcutta High Court criticized the Bengal Police, questioning why it took 4 years for an FIR to be converted into a charge sheet. In the Sandeshkhali case, the TMC leader Shahjahan Sheikh and his associates Shibu, Hazra and Uttam Sardar are accused of gang raping women. While Hazra and Sardar, among 18 others, have been arrested, Sheikh Shahjahan remains elusive, accused in a ration scam. He had faced a raid by the ED on January 5, during which he allegedly attacked the officers. Despite being on the run, locals claim Shahjahan Sheikh is still in Sandeshkhali. The Allahabad High Court delivered a significant blow to the Muslim side in the Vyasji Tehkhana case, rejecting the petition of the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid Committee challenging the district court's order allowing the continuation of Hindu rituals in Vyasji ka Tehkhana. The court also deemed the Uttar Pradesh government 1993 action which prohibited religious practices inside Vyas ka Tehkhana in the southern part of the knowledge enclosure as illegal. It emphasized that the ban on religious practices was imposed without any written order, terming it an unlawful act by the state. Hindu lawyer Vishnu Shankar Jain, representing the Hindu side, revealed that the Allahabad High Court dismissed the first appeal against the Anjuman Intizamiya's order, which had been filed against the Varanasi District Court's ruling on January 17th and 31st. The effect of the court is that the religious ceremonies will continue in the Vyasji ka Tehkhana. If the Anjuman Intizamiya takes the case to the Supreme Court, we will file our caveat there. The hearing in the court was also presided by Rohit Ranjan Agrawal. Following the complete hearing of the petition filed by the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid Committee, the court had reserved its judgment on February 15. On Monday, the Supreme Court dismissed a petition challenging the new criminal laws enacted by Parliament to amend the Indian Penal Code, the Indian Evidence Act and the Code of Criminal Procedure. The bench, headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, stated that the laws are not yet in effect and questioned the petitioner about the right to challenge laws that are not applicable. The petitioner from Chennai filed the petition specifically addressing laws notified on January 6, 2024, well before the government announced that the new laws would come into effect on July 1st, 2024. The Chief Justice-led bench subsequently rejected the public interest litigation. The Andhra Pradesh government has requested the Supreme Court to cancel the bail plea to TDP chief N. Chandrababu Naidu in the Kaushal Development Corporation scam. The state government informed the bench of Justice Bela M. Trivedi and Justice Pankaj Mittal that members of Naidu's family have been given statements publicly intimidating officers to obstruct the investigation. The state government's plea for regular bail to Naidu, challenging the Andhra Pradesh High Court's order from November 20, 2023, was being heard in Supreme Court regarding the Kaushal Development Corporation case. The state government's plea for regular bail to Naidu, challenging the Andhra Pradesh High Court's order from November 20, 2023, was being heard in the Supreme Court regarding the Kaushal Development Corporation scam. Senior advocate Mukul Rohtagi, representing the state government, argued that bail should not be granted to those who make threatening statements just before elections. Harish Salve, senior counsel for N. Chandrababu Naidu, stated that they would respond to the application. The bench directed Naidu's lawyer to file a response within 2 weeks and scheduled the hearing for the case 3 weeks later.